A very good morning, children. Welcome back to the session. Today, we will continue the remaining part of the lesson, Fundamentals of Computers. In the previous class, you have learned about the different types of computers. So, the types of computers are desktop computer, laptop computer, notebook computer, and a tablet computer. Isn't it, children? So, today, we will learn about the uses of computers. The computers have changed our life, and now it is a necessity to use a computer in our daily life. Computers have made our life easy and fast. These days, we find computers everywhere, such as shops, hotels, railways, home, airways, office, schools, banks, and many more places. Now, let us see how computers assist us in various fields. Okay, children? So first, let us see how computers are used at home. So at home, you can communicate with people around the world by using internet. You can play games, watch movies, cartoons, listen to music, etc. Not only that, children, you can even store address, phone numbers, pictures, photos, videos, etc. in your computer. So we can even search information about anything on the internet. Understood, children? Now, let us see how computers are used at hospitals. Computers are used to store the details of the patients. Doctors are using computers to diagnose the disease of the patients. That means computers can identify the nature of illness or any other problem. Computers also help in performing the surgeries, eye testing, etc. Not only that, children, computers also help in monitoring the patients. They help in payment of the bills in the hospitals. Okay, children. Now, let us see how computers are used in the office. The official work took more time to complete the work in the past. But now the work is done with high speed with the help of computers. In the office, computer helps to maintain the office records. They are used to type and save the documents. So not only that, children, we can also take printouts of the documents. We can communicate through emails. That means we can send and receive emails. So this is the use of computer in the office. Now let us see how the computers are used at schools. Computers are the most important educational tools for teachers and students. In schools and colleges, computers are used by teachers in preparing lessons to teach different subjects, to prepare timetable, report cards, etc. The computers are used in school libraries to maintain the records of the books and also the fee counters and many more places. Computers are used by students to prepare projects and to learn different subjects. Understood, children? Now, let us see how computers are used in the banks. Banks are using computers to deposit money in their accounts. Computers are used to store the details of the bank accounts of the customers. Banks are providing ATM to withdraw the money and also to deposit the money. Computer helps in operating ATM, that is automated teller machine. The full form of ATM is automated teller machine. So these ATMs are used to take money anytime. Understood, children? So this is the picture of ATM. You can see here ATM is automated teller machine. So this is used to withdraw money anytime. So you can see the picture, children. So it is automated teller machine. Understood? Now let us see how a computer is used in the field of designing. Computers are used for designing books, newspapers, magazines, etc. So not only that, children, computers are also used to design these buildings, cars, etc. So engineers use computers to design buildings and cars, and many other things can also be designed by using the computer. Understood, children? Now, let us see how computers are used at railways and airways. Computers help us to book and cancel the tickets. Not only that, children, they also help in providing the information about arrival and departure timings. Understood? So now, let us see how the computers are used in the field of entertainment. Computers are used in preparing animated movies and cartoons. Earlier, creating animated films used to be a difficult task. But today, computers have made it really very easy to make cartoons and other animated movies. Here, animation means making a drawing to move. Here, animation is nothing but, children, making a drawing to move. Not only that, even special effects can also be created by using computers, like creating earthquakes, fire, storms, cyclone, etc. So these are the special effects which can be created by using the computers. So all the magical things in the movies like Main Hoon Na, Krish, Godzilla, Little Stuart, Jurassic Park, etc. were created with the help of the computers. Not only that, children, you all like cartoons, isn't it? So the cartoons like Shin Chan, Chota Bheem, Doraemon, etc. are created by using the computers. Okay, children, hope you have understood. So that's all for today. Here is a small assignment for you all. Name any 4 places where computers are used. So you have to write any 4 places where computers are used. So meet you again in the next video class. Thank you and have a nice day.